Hey, welcome back to the series of Business Studies Chapter 5 Organizing. In this video, we are learning about difference between authority, responsibility and accountability. By the way, this is OBC online business class. If you still not subscribed, consider it. As usual, we are dividing it based on the basis. So the first one is meaning of authority. Authority means right to command. Then what is responsibility? Responsibility is nothing but obligation to perform an assigned task. Obligation is nothing but duty. So duty to perform an assigned task, they must obey the duty like that. Next is accountability. The meaning of accountability is answerable for outcome of assigned task. That is result. You are accountable to your superior so that what is the result of the task. Next is delegation. Can we delegate authority? Yes, we can delegate authority to the subordinates. In responsibility, we cannot delegate completely to other person. Most of the time, you are responsible your task to your superior, so you can't completely delegate responsibility. In accountability, you cannot delegate accountability, so it's completely ruled out. Moving on to next, that is origin, where it creates, where it starts like that. Authority arises from a formal position. If he is a manager, he has authority to control his subordinates like that. In responsibility arises from delegation of authority. When you delegate your authority to other person or your subordinate, it creates responsibility of some particular task like that. In accountability arises from responsibility. When you take a responsibility, automatically it creates accountability. Next is flow. How it flow? Authority flow downwards from the superior to subordinates, but in responsibility, it flow upwards from subordinate to superior. In accountability, it also flow upwards from subordinate to superior. These are the differences or overview of authority, responsibility and accountability. If you find this video helpful, share it. Click here to watch the next series about the topic Importance of Delegation. Support us by subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next series. Bye.